Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT to make money online. So for that, you can hit up on Fiverr, Upwork or any of the freelance website and just find a work from there and use ChatGPT to get that work done. Search for Upwork on Google and hit enter. Then open up the Upwork's website and here search for copywriting jobs. So you can see that people are charging $60 and $100 for 1 hour of copywriting. Then you can just sign up for an account on Upwork and look for the copywriting jobs. And suppose that this person is needing a writer for coin blogs, and you can just simply go to ChatGPT and type in all the requirements your client has, and according to that, ChatGPT will be able to generate that copywriting material for you, and you can just provide that material and also make sure that the material that is provided by this AI, you improve it and give it your touch to it, and you can also make changes according to your client's choices or requirements, and this way you will be able to do it for multiple clients at the same time. And this is how easy it is. And for Fiverr, you can create a gig on Fiverr for copywriting jobs. It can be blog writing, SEO articles, or any single thing. And after that, use ChatGPT for that. Suppose we want ChatGPT to write us a climate change article which is SEO optimized. So we will just give the command here, write SEO optimized climate change article, and then press enter, and then ChatGPT will be working for it and will provide you the same within just few seconds or maybe in a minute. And that's how easy it is to use ChatGPT for your advantage, and you can simply use it for various other ways also, like getting the homework done for various websites and assignments done for college students, and this is quite useful. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.